Good morning everyone. Today PRACHI of class 9th determination is here to tell you the importance of attitude to organizations. Have you ever wondered why some organizations, individuals or countries are more successful than others? It's not a secret. They simply think and act more effectively. They do so by investing in their most valuable asset, people. I have spoken to many countries internationally and asked them a question. If you had a magic wand and there was one thing you could change, what would it be? They said that they would like to change their people's attitude. With better attitude, people would be better team players. In general, their company would be a great place to work in. Experience has shown that human resources are most powerful asset. People are more valuable than capital or equipment. Unfortunately, human resources are also the most wasted resources. People can be your biggest asset or your biggest liability if they have positive or negative attitude in them. So let us develop positive attitude in our life. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Prachi.